Hi, hello to everyone. This is Dr. Satheesh Kumar, working as the Associate Professor in the Department of Information Technology at Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Hyderabad. So, in this section, just we are going to learn about the concept learning and the general to specific ordering in artificial intelligence. How the concept learning, okay, from these problems, some specific problems, okay, just we are going to use various algorithms, various method to solve a particular problem. So, from that problem, just how we are going to learn some concepts in artificial intelligence and how we are going to specific ordering, just we are going to represent to solve a particular problem in artificial intelligence. Just we are going to learn from this presentation. Let us start. So from this video, just I am going to tell about what is the mean by the concept learning and specific ordering and some specific algorithm. And with algorithm with the with the example, just I am going to give the explanation. Okay, so what is the concept learning? Okay, so everyone knows that there's some specific training example based on your problem statement, some specific general specific training examples or main issues on artificial intelligence. Okay. The concept learning means acquiring the definition of a general category from the given sample examples. Okay, just if you're having some example to solve using artificial intelligence algorithm or some specific method. Okay, so generally just we are going to learn what is the exact that problem is going to be defined. Okay, so what is exactly that problem is going to be defined, how the artificial intelligence intelligent machines are going to be extract all the inputs and how we are going to use different methods going to be solved for that particular problems that are learning outcomes. Okay, so the basic speak learning and the concept of the particular problem by the artificial intelligence machine is the concept learning. So concept learning can seen as a problem of searching through a predefined space. The concept learning can see a problem of searching through a predefined space of potential hypothesis for the some hypothesis that best training examples. Okay, so in these some specific hypothesis, just we are going to use some function variables or function integrated and some predefined function for problem solving the specific areas in artificial intelligence. Okay, so the various categories. Okay, so the concept or categories, the both are some various categories just we are going to use to learn this some specific problem by the artificial intelligence machines or algorithms. Okay, so birds, cars, a situation in which I should study more in order to pass the exam. Like, okay, so based on these some birds from the illusion or some images, the artificial intelligence machines are going to be gathering some information, okay, to learn themselves, and it will produce some predicated output or some identical output from the given images, like a car also. Okay, so here some different methods we are going to use to define the concepts of artificial intelligence algorithm. And then the situation, for example, based on the weather condition, whether we are going to play cricket or football or volleyball or some outdoor games or not. Just we are going to take the decision based on the weather conditions. Okay, that's it. Situation is which I should study more in order to the pass the examination. Okay, if the based on the subjects, okay, if it is either it is a problematic or some theoretical or some mathematical exams, based on that one, just I have to in order I have to prepare for passing the particular exams. That also one of the decision, right? Decision making. Okay, then concept. Okay, so based on that problem statement, just we are going to learn, we are going to gather some inputs from the problem statement. That is a concept. Okay, there's some subset of the object or event defined over the large sets. Okay, So a Boolean value based on that logic says just we are going to assign the Boolean value either is 0 or not. Just everyone knows that the Boolean value of the mathematical representation 0 and 1. 0 is here false, 1 is here true. Either it will produce some predicted or accepted output. It will give the some Boolean values. Alright. The next one is the exact concept of the concept of learning. Okay, some the H is represented as some heuristic function. Okay, the heuristic or some hypothesis value of the given problem, right? So here that animals. Okay, so here the here domain is some animals, right? So just I'm going to feed that animal image or illusion to the artificial intelligence machine. Right, if it is so, here that the heuristic function or hypothesis value going to be applied. Okay, the Boolean function description the concept of the birds. Okay, just I'm going to give the some animals or birds or some images. Okay, so it will give some value either 1 or 0, some ranges. It will give the value of for this input. Okay, so one means yes, it is a bird. Okay, it is a animal. It is a car. It is a some exact value. It will return. Okay, if it is 0, so no, it is not a bird. Okay, just I'm giving animal. I'm asking to the artificial intelligence algorithm whether it is a bird or animal. Okay, if it is a bird, it will return 1. If it is animal, it will return 0. I like this. Just we are going to use the concept learning concepts in artificial intelligence algorithms using the this heuristic method or some hypothesis parameter method. The next one is the concept learning a task. Okay, so just some specific problem statement, some specific task. Just we are going to feed into the artificial intelligence machines. Right, so based on that weather conditions, the artificial intelligence machines will predict or will give some hypothesis value as it is suitable or not. Okay, it will return the Boolean value, the value of 0 or 1. And like this, just we are going to give the concept of the concept task to the artificial intelligence machines. The target concept is days on which you play, enjoy water sports or not. Okay, so what is the target concepts here? The based on the weather condition, whether we are going to play a cricket or not on the day of on the day. Okay, so then here the hypothesis value already said. Just we are going to use the hypothesis value as well as some heuristic function of the concept learning. Okay, so head of the 6 constraints. Okay, sky, air temperature, humidity, wind, water, forecast, enjoy the sports. Okay, so this one is here the final prediction of all this one. Okay, so based on this weather conditions, okay, finally just we are going to predict, we are going to return the some heuristic value as that I enjoy the sports on the day or not. Okay, so each attributes, that is here the sky, air, humidity, window, water, forecast is here one attributes. Okay, so here just we are going to take each attributes the single value as or some zeros or ones. Okay, the example, the hold high, cold high. Okay, if it is so, just whether we will enjoy the sports on the day especially. Okay, like this, just we are going to give the some attributes to the artificial intelligence algorithm. It will act based on that inputs or hypothesis value. Okay, so the training example, just some example just I given to betterment of your understanding. So based on this example, by the next lecturer, just I will give I will calculate some entropy value and some information gain value based on this example. All right. So here, just I'm going to give some concepts of whether the day is suitable for playing the outdoor games or not. Okay, here the instance means the various attributes just I'm going to use here. The sky, air, temp, humidity, wind, water, fraction, they enjoy sports or the particular day or not, yes or no. Okay, so different for the 4 attributes I given here: sunny, rainy, and warm, cold, warm, and normal, high. The humidity is normal or high. Okay, the wind is strong or weak. That water is warm or cold. Okay, the forecast is the same or it changes, some changes. Okay, nowadays each and every hours the forecast are changing, right? So based on that one, then enjoy sports on the pay based on these attributes, or the value at that day it will suitable for enjoying the sports or not. Okay, if it is no means it will return 0. If it is yes mean it will return 1. Okay, like this we are going to consider one set of attributes value based on the hypothesis or function prediction on the weather condition in artificial intelligence algorithm is going to be solving some particular problem. Okay, so here the given instance just based on this that the problem statement, just we are going to write on instance based on the problem statement. Okay, so here this instance we are going to be represented as capital S, right? The capital X is the set of item over which the concept is defined. Okay, based on the set of attributes, based on the set of function analysis or hypothesis analyzer. Okay, just we are going to assign some instance value for the given problem statement, that is capital X. The target concept is a small c. Okay, so here c is X belongs to 0 or 1. Okay, that instant X is based on this the value of the instance. Okay, that is a boolean value. Okay, 0 or 1. Okay, then training example here positive or negative, that is yes or no. Okay, that also is included the instance with the concept learning. Okay, so the concept learning will include the instant value. Okay, the training set D available training example, just a previous, this one is a training examples they given for the calculate the predict the value, predict the weather conditions, right? The set of all possible hypotheses H. Okay, here based on this H only, just we are going to predict the input and we give some value, the boolean value. Right. So given the data set, just we are going to assign the based on the instance, based on the attributes, based on the hypothesis, possible hypothesis values in the problem statement. Here deterministic, just we are going to determine the find of H of S. Okay, the hypothesis based on the instance. Okay, then a concept of some instance. Okay, for all X in X. Okay, so all the small X is included in the given instance value, that we are going to determine using the some artificial intelligence algorithm in the concept learning concept. Okay, so here incentive learning a hypothesis. Okay, so from this video, from this input, a sample input, okay, just we are going to find some hypothesis value, inductive value. As per the hypothesis value, how we are going to find the whether is suitable for the enzyme of fruits or not. Okay, so any hypothesis over is sufficient large set of attributes value or training examples. Okay, will also approximate the target function. Okay, so well over the unseen example of some issues of searches. Okay, so just here we are going to start the some searching concepts, searching technique to find the whether the particular instance is suitable for the solving the particular problem or not. Okay, here the find the training example hypothesis, the best first training examples. Okay, here just we are going to consider given the problem statement based on the instance, based on the attributes value, we are going to find the best training example to taking over the some hypothesis value. Okay, for example, just we are going to split up in the number of instance spaces. Okay, like this, if it is a value is a 96, instance value is the X value is the 96. Okay, that X value, the instance value, that we are going to split up into a number of instance, right? 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, like this, just we are going to split up into the number of instance. Okay, so like this, just we are going to split in the number of instance based on this hypothesis value or attributes value, right? So like this, just we are going to split it out. Okay, the next one is up to this one is general the concept learning. Now just I'm going to tell that some general specific learning, specific ordering in a hypothesis. Okay, so here we are just we are going to consider the same training examples for specifying the order in hypothesis. Okay, the hypothesis general to specific ordering. Okay, if you're having some normal program and the normal problem that we are going to take into the some specific ordering. Okay, just we are going to gather some information or some input based on your problem statement. Okay, the general means given the problem statement. Specific ordering means just we are going to collect some instance based on your problem statement. Okay, that is it. Okay, so here the x satisfaction h belongs to the h of x is equal to 1. Okay, here we are going to taking the hypothesis value based on your instance, right? First, initially just we are going to consider the hypothesis instant value is 1. Okay, then more general than the or equal to the relations. Okay, so each and every instance we have to be give the relations with the other attributes values. Okay, so here just we have taken the different attributes, right? Sunny, strong, or weak, or warm, or cold. Based on the attributes, all the instance values or hypothesis value will differ, right? Like this, just we are going to consider. And then one more general or equal or two relationship. Okay, for example, so warm is so water is warm or cold. Okay, we have using here the two general hypotheses, two concept ordering, the sequence ordering, right? So like this, just we are going to segregate the specific ordering in the hypothesis in the concept learning. Okay, so after this, just given the general concept of the concept of learning and general to specific ordering hypothesis value of a given problem statement in artificial intelligence. Okay, from the next video, same that training example, based on the training example, just I'm going to predict the whether it is suitable for enjoying the sports or not using the entropy and information gain values. All right, so this is the some textbook that I have used to collect all the information for this concept, and some web references I given over here to gathering all the information related to the concept learning and general to specific ordering. Okay, just we will see the next video with the new concepts. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.